Hello everyone, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, we are going to fix the issue your window is crashing while playing the game, any game or heavy softwares. How to troubleshoot this issue? First of all guys, we need to open the task manager and we need to look for the overall performance or on system. So make sure any one of is not going up to the 95% or above. If it reaches to 100% like hard disk, memory or the CPU, click that option and look for that app. Make sure you look for that app and it should not be reaching above 95%, and if it is, you can close another app which are running on your system. For example, if I open the Google Chrome here, you can see the memory and other things will go up. Let me show you now. You can see, and it will show me here what running on my system and what is taking more memory and RAM as well as the CPU. So make sure you need to right click there and simply end the task here. Once you end the task, you should see the drop of the task manager setting, and it might fix your issue, but we have another fix for you as well. If this is not the case, you make sure your system is also not heating. If CPU is going above 90% or above 95%, it means that there is some issue with your fan, existing fan. So make sure you check it properly with the physical and make sure it is not heating, as well as for the laptop. So now we can also prevent our system to not restart. So we need to open the run here. Simply you can press Window plus R button together, and in here guys you need to type here sys sysdm.cpl and hit OK. Once you hit OK guys, go to advanced options here. Now in here startup and recovery, click on that option, and now untick this option, automatically restart, and make sure you tick this option, write an event to the system log. After that click on OK and click on OK, and also you can set your system to the best performance here. Just tick this option, adjust for best performance. Click on apply, click on OK. So you can prevent. Also open the control panel, we can set our system to the 95% control. Select here the large icons in here and go to power options here. Now once you open the power options guys, you need to open this option, change power plan setting, whichever is you have chosen. You can choose the high performance as per your requirement, but choose that option, change power plan setting, then change advanced power. Now in here go to the processor power management, and minimum power processor should be on 95%, okay, and maximum should be 95%. Now this setting will not reach up to 100% of your CPU, so click on apply and then click on OK. Now it will not reach your system to 100% to restart automatically or Windows crashes. So this is the third method to fix the issue. And if you have still issue guys, you can look for the event viewer logs. Open the event viewer, look for the critical logs and work on accordingly. In here go to Windows log, expand that, click on setting, system. You need to click on system here and let them load first. And after that just wait for some time guys. It may take some time to loading all the logs on our system. Now you can see it has loaded all the logs in the system as well. Go to filter logs here, okay, and select here the critical one and okay. Now in my case I have only 3 logs here which I forcefully shut down my system. Choose here as per the date and double click on it to open and see about the logs, what is happening on the system, okay, and then work on accordingly. Like this is the event ID, this is the, you can also look for its code here, critical, and if I see this log, same logs, since I have forcefully shut down the system here, and especially the 41 logs is your system is rebooted unexpectedly or you have forcefully shut down it. So this is how you can check the system is crashing, and thereafter guys, make sure you perform the steps as per the logs and you are good to go, your issue should fix. So this is the guide guys, you can fix the issue. Hope this helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.